Hello everybody. Right, this is my Halloween journal, and yeah, there's 23 pages. I think I'm doing it all together. There's no add-on because the add-on will be with the actual kit, so it's a full kit. Okay, and I've gone actually a little bit purpley. Why? Because I think I've had these out recently, and I do like purple with Halloween, and because I used some of these autumn leaves that had purple in, I think that's where it sort of evolved from that. So I continued with it. I wasn't going to bring out a kit. I was going to do sort of like odd bits and pieces, but to be honest, it's taken a long time to do. So then this happened. So, and I went with it because I have to do that. If, you know, it's flowing and it's working, then I go with it. The journal pages are, right, mine don't print full scat, okay, because I use my laser first. So I get a border here. But these journal pages, I've done 8 1/4 by 11, okay, because I actually prefer them a little bit narrower, okay, for the height that I can get. So that's why I do that, but that's just the journal pages. So you need to uncheck your box fit to page, okay, and then they will print out properly, the correct size, okay. If you do check that box, then they will be full scat and you might lose bits, okay. But these ones are full page, full A4. So however you want to print them, you just print them and they should just fill your page, okay. But the actual journal pages, I've got 6 of them and they're all on the narrower. That's a hard word for me to say, narrower. Okay, so that's one. Another one, so it's Beyond the Grave, that's what it's called. Yeah, do you see what I mean about the sort of autumn leaves? I was sort of doing an autumn kit and then this happened. So I thought, well, no, I've got to do Halloween. So got a bit of both. So yeah, it's really... I love this. I love these images. They're fun. They're sort of scary but fun. So try to do a little bit fun. I love these so much. And then I've incorporated like the coffee stain because I thought that would blend in lovely with coffee stain papers. So because I had, you know, like the bits, it was very coffee stainy look here. Yeah. And so they all sort of blend in together with the purple. Yeah, I like it. Okay, some purple tones as well as there, and the coffee stain, that one, and the pumpkins, love. And then this is quite a dark page, this one, but it works. Okay, it's got sort of like a dark tree in the background, but it's eerie, and that's what I wanted. Okay, and that's the background. These are all backgrounds, but they can be utilised in the journal. There. Then the coffee stained one with writing and script and spots, black spots. Love that. And some flowers over, coffee stained one. Okay, and then I've included these to go on the backs. Okay, slightly lighter, so you can print on the back. That's there, which I'm going to do with some of mine in a minute, so I don't have to coffee stain them. That one there, and a lined one I just put in, okay. And these are, like I said, and these are full scat, so when you print these on the back of these, they'll be sure to fit. There's no, you know, no mismatch or anything. That's those. Right, then there's 2 envelopes, 2 large envelopes there. That's the other one. And a coin envelope with some circles to punch out, make some dangles. This is like a jumbo pocket, so sort of that's the background, and then that's the pocket, and then that's the tag. Okay, and then you can decorate the tag with some words that I've incorporated as well that look quite nice. That, and these are right, 2 large pockets. They do go, you know, one on one side, one on the other, and there. That's my favourite, that one there. I really like these. I was quite pleased with these journal cards. It's nice. I'll put a nice bat there hanging from that tree. Oops. There's that one there, and I incorporated those because they're always handy to go on the back of the tags. Right, everything's falling down. Okay. And 2 pages of jumbo tags. Definitely my favourite. Oh, I printed that one again, did I? Must have done. And that one there. Okay. There we go. And that's it, folks. Okay, I will be working with this kit, but not this week. I want to finish that other journal I'm doing, and then I'll move on to sort of doing something with the Halloween kit. Okay, well, thank you very much, everybody, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.